empowering the world through innovative and accessible education.
Welcome to Module 4 of Introduction to OpenAI and AI Basics. Today we'll move from theory into practice, showing you how to weave OpenAI into real workflows and projects. We'll cover MAU in Section 7, integrating OpenAI into your daily tasks and use cases. Section 8, real-world projects, best practices, common pitfalls, and a look ahead. Let's get started with Section 7, integrating OpenAI into workflows. Imagine automating repetitive writing or analysis chores with just a few lines of code. Using the OpenAI API, you can 1. Auto-summarize incoming emails. Pull your inbox, send the body to GPT, and generate a bullet point summary. 1. Generate customer support replies. Feed user tickets into ChatGPT with a system prompt like, "You are a helpful support agent," and output draft responses. 1. Auto-tag and classify content. Use GPT to read articles or documents and return metadata tags or categories for your CMS. With a scheduler or webhook, these tasks run hands-free, freeing you to focus on strategy instead of grunt work. Whether you're a marketer, analyst, or manager, you can use OpenAI to draft emails, provide context, audience, and tone, write a professional follow-up email after a sales meeting. Reports. Send raw data or bullet points to GPT and ask for an executive summary or full narrative. Blog articles. Supply a headline and outline, then have GPT expand each section into prose, complete with subheadings, examples, and a conclusion. Tip: always review and brand voice tune the output, but you'll often save 50 to 70% of drafting time. OpenAI isn't just for text. You can feed it data summaries or CSV snippets and ask for insights. What trends do you see in this monthly sales data? Hypothesis generation. Based on these customer reviews, list 3 potential product improvements. Code generation for analysis. Write a Python script using pandas to compute year-over-year growth and plot a bar chart. Combine codecs with matplotlib or pandas in a notebook, and you've got an AI-powered data analyst that writes and interprets code. Let's look at 2 real companies. Startup A, working in marketing automation, integrated GPT-4 into their CRM. Incoming lead information is summarized and scored automatically. Then, personalized email sequences are drafted, boosting open rates by 30%. On the other hand, Enterprise B, in their legal department, uses GPT to draft contract templates and summarize key clauses from incoming contracts. They estimate a 40% time savings and more consistent compliance. In both cases, they built small microservices, an API call to OpenAI, minimal logic around inputs and outputs, and dashboards to review AI suggestions before sending. Across industries, you'll find education platforms using GPT for personalized tutoring and quiz generation. E-commerce sites are auto-writing product descriptions and social posts. Healthcare research is leveraging GPT to summarize medical literature and propose study designs. Each successful project shares a pattern. Start small, validate AI output quality, then scale. Beware these traps. Over-trusting raw output. Always human review for accuracy and tone. Poor prompt maintenance. Small prompt drift over time can degrade results, so version your prompts. Data privacy lapses. Don't send sensitive PII or proprietary data without appropriate safeguards. Cost overruns. Monitor usage, set hard caps, or use smaller models for non-critical tasks. Solutions. Implement review workflows, log prompts and responses, scrub data, and track spending via the OpenAI dashboard. What's next in AI? Multimodal models, seamless blending of text, image, audio, and video generation. On-device inference, running smaller LLMs locally for privacy and lower latency. Fine-tuning democratization, easy custom model training on your own data. Regulation and governance. Expect new rules around AI transparency, bias mitigation, and data rights. Staying current means following OpenAI's research blog, participating in dev communities, and continuous experimentation. Now, let's address common questions. Kiao, how do I ensure data security when using OpenAI? A. Use data anonymization, encrypt API keys, and consider on-prem or private cloud solutions when available. Q. What's a good final project? A. Build an end-to-end AI assistant. Combine GPT for text, dall-e for visuals, and Codex for any code glue. For instance, a content creation portal that generates blog drafts, social images, and publication-ready HTML. Final project steps. Define a use case. Pick a real task you want to automate or enhance. Design your workflow. Map inputs, AI calls, human review, and outputs. Implement and iterate. Start simple, test, refine prompts and parameters. Document and demo, save your prompt library, record a short demo video, and share lessons learned. You'll submit code, prompts, and a 2-minute demo. Feedback will focus on creativity, robustness, and ethical practices. You've now seen how to integrate OpenAI into real workflows, generate content, analyze data, avoid pitfalls, and prepare for a capstone project. Next up, finalize your project, join our live showcase session, and get peer feedback. Remember, the most impactful AI applications start with clear problems, careful prompt design, and human oversight. Thank you for joining the course. I can't wait to see what you build with OpenAI.